At the heart of every bar of soap lies one of the most fascinating and essential chemical reactions in industrial manufacturing: saponification. This process is not just a technical step in production, it is the very transformation that turns simple, natural raw materials into a product that protects human health on a global scale. Saponification begins with two primary components: fats or oils and an alkali. These oils can be derived from a wide range of sources, including coconut oil, palm oil, or even animal fats. Each type of oil contributes unique properties to the final soap. Some add hardness, others improve lather, and some enhance moisturizing qualities. On the other side of the reaction is the alkali, typically sodium hydroxide for solid soap, or potassium hydroxide for liquid soap. When these two elements meet under controlled conditions, they trigger a chemical transformation that produces soap and glycerin. In modern factories, this reaction is carried out in massive stainless steel reactors designed to handle large volumes with precision. The oils are first heated to an optimal temperature to ensure they are in the ideal state for reaction. Then, the alkali solution is introduced gradually. This step requires extreme accuracy. Too much alkali can make the soap harsh and unsafe, while too little can result in incomplete saponification, leaving excess oils that affect shelf life and performance. As the mixture is stirred by powerful industrial mixers, the reaction begins to take shape. The once clear oils start to thicken, turning into a creamy, opaque substance. This transformation is not only physical but molecular. The triglycerides in the oils break down and recombine with the alkali to form soap molecules. These molecules have a unique structure. One end is attracted to water, while the other is attracted to oil and dirt. This dual nature is what makes soap such an effective cleaning agent. What makes industrial saponification truly remarkable is the level of control and consistency achieved at scale. Advanced sensors monitor temperature, pH levels, and mixing speed in real time. Automated systems make micro adjustments to maintain perfect conditions throughout the reaction. This ensures that every batch of soap meets strict quality standards, regardless of how large the production volume is. Another critical aspect of this process is the management of glycerin, a natural byproduct of saponification. In earlier times, glycerin was often removed and sold separately for use in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. However, modern formulations frequently retain glycerin within the soap because of its powerful moisturizing properties. This decision reflects a shift in consumer demand toward products that are not only effective, but also gentle on the skin. The scale of this process is astonishing. In large factories, saponification can run continuously, producing tons of soap base every hour. This continuous production model allows manufacturers to meet global demand efficiently, while maintaining consistent quality. It is a perfect example of how chemistry and engineering come together to serve everyday needs. Beyond the technical aspects, saponification represents something much larger. It is a process that directly contributes to public health. Soap is one of the most effective tools for preventing the spread of disease. From reducing bacterial transmission to maintaining personal hygiene, the impact of this simple product is profound. And it all begins with this one powerful chemical reaction. In essence, saponification is more than just a step in manufacturing. It is the foundation of an industry that supports billions of people around the world. It transforms raw, natural resources into a product that is both functional and essential. Without it, the modern standards of cleanliness we take for granted simply would not exist. While chemistry provides the foundation for soap production, it is automation and precision engineering that bring the process to life on a massive scale. Modern soap factories are not just production facilities, they are highly synchronized ecosystems where machines, sensors, and software work together seamlessly to produce millions of bars of soap every single day. The journey of automation begins the moment raw materials enter the factory. From the unloading of oils into storage, tends to their transfer into reactors, every step is controlled by automated systems. These systems ensure that the exact quantities of materials are measured and delivered without human error. This level of precision is crucial, especially in a process like soap manufacturing, where even small deviations can affect the final product. As production moves forward, automation becomes even more evident. In the saponification stage, computer-controlled reactors maintain optimal conditions at all times. Temperature, pressure, and mixing speeds are continuously monitored and adjusted through advanced control systems. Operators oversee the process from centralized control rooms, where digital displays provide real-time data and alerts. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances safety by reducing the need for direct interaction with potentially hazardous materials. Once the soap base is formed, the automation continues through drying, refining, and shaping. Vacuum drying systems remove excess moisture with incredible efficiency, preparing the soap for further processing. The dried soap is then transformed into noodles, which are automatically transported to mix-in units. Here, precise amounts of fragrances, colors, and additives are introduced. The consistency achieved at this stage is remarkable. Every batch smells, looks, and performs exactly the same. One of the most visually impressive aspects of automation is the refining and extrusion process. Heavy-duty rollers press the soap repeatedly, creating a smooth and uniform texture. The refined soap is then pushed through a plotter, forming a continuous log. This log is cut into perfectly sized bars by high-speed cutting machines that operate with millimeter accuracy. The process does not stop there. Each soap bar is stamped with branding using automated presses, ensuring a consistent and professional appearance. The bars are then cooled under controlled conditions to maintain their shape and durability. From there, they move into the packaging phase, another area where automation shines. Packaging machines operate at incredible speeds, wrapping, sealing, and labeling each bar in a matter of seconds. These machines are capable of handling thousands of units per hour, far beyond what manual labor could achieve. Robotic arms then organize the packaged soaps into boxes, which are prepared for distribution. Quality control is also deeply integrated into this automated system. Sensors and inspection units continuously check for defects, ensuring that only products meeting strict standards move forward. In addition, laboratory testing is conducted to verify factors such as pH balance, texture, and fragrance consistency. This multi-layered approach guarantees that every bar of soap reaching consumers is safe and reliable. The benefits of automation extend beyond efficiency. It also plays a key role in sustainability. Modern factories are designed to minimize waste, optimize energy use, and reduce environmental impact. For example, heat generated during production is often recycled, and water usage is carefully managed through closed-loop systems. These innovations reflect a growing commitment to environmentally responsible manufacturing. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of automation in soap production is its ability to scale. A single factory can produce millions of bars per day, while maintaining uniform quality across every unit. This scalability is essential in meeting the global demand for soap, especially in times of increased need, such as during public health crises. Ultimately, automation and precision engineering are what transform soap production from a simple chemical process into a global industry. They ensure that a product we use every day is available, affordable, and consistent in quality. Without these advancements, it would be impossible to meet the needs of modern society. In conclusion, while the simplicity of soap may be deceiving, the process behind its production is anything but simple. It is a sophisticated blend of science, technology, and engineering, working together in perfect harmony to deliver one of the most essential products in human history.